Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make crab with paper. First, select a square piece of paper, ideally 6 inches by 6 inches. Vibrant colors like red, orange, or even a deep brown work best to mimic a real crab. Make sure you also have a pair of sharp scissors and a reliable glue stick handy. These simple materials are all you need to begin your paper crafting adventure. Let's get folding. Now, let's create the main body of our paper crab. Begin by folding your square paper diagonally in half, making a crisp crease. Unfold it, then repeat the process with the other diagonal. This creates an X shape of creases. Next, bring 2 opposite corners towards the center, collapsing the paper into a smaller square base. This foundational fold is crucial for the crab's structure. With the body taking shape, it's time to add the distinctive legs and claws. Carefully cut 4 thin strips from the bottom edge of your square base. These will become the crab's legs. Next, take the top 2 corners and fold them downwards and outwards to create the prominent claws. For a more lifelike appearance, gently curl the leg strips using a pencil or your finger. To complete your paper crab, carefully apply a small amount of glue to the ends of your leg strips and attach them firmly to the underside of the crab's body. For an extra touch of personality, you can draw on small eyes or even glue on tiny googly eyes. Your paper crab is now ready to display. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. It's a simple, fun craft for all ages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.